Incredible facts about fish. What you didn't know about underwater inhabitant. Fish are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. From their diverse forms and colors to their intricate behaviors, the underwater world is full of surprises. Whether you're a seasoned marine biologist or just a curious observer, there's always something new to discover about these aquatic animals. In this article, we'll explore some of the most incredible and little-known facts about fish that will make you appreciate these remarkable creatures even more. 1. Fish have been around for over 500 million years. Fish are ancient animals, with the first known fish appearing around 530 million years ago during the Cambrian period. That means fish have been swimming in Earth's waters long before dinosaurs roamed the land. This long history has allowed them to evolve into an astonishing variety of species, each uniquely adapted to their environment. Today, fish represent one of the most diverse groups of vertebrates, with over 34,000 known species. 2. Fish can talk to each other. Many fish species communicate with each other using sounds, gestures, and even body movements. While fish don't have vocal cords like humans, they can produce sounds by rubbing body parts together or using their swim bladders. For example, certain species of fish, like the toadfish, create grunting sounds to communicate with others during mating rituals or territorial disputes. Fish also talk through body language, such as displaying certain colors or patterns to signal aggression or mating readiness. 3. Some fish can live in both freshwater and saltwater. Did you know that some fish are capable of living in both freshwater and saltwater? These incredible species, known as anadromous and catadromous fish, can adapt to different salinities during various life stages. For example, salmon are born in freshwater rivers, migrate to the ocean, and return to freshwater to spawn. On the other hand, the eel is born in the ocean but spends most of its life in freshwater rivers and streams. Their ability to switch between environments is a true testament to the adaptability of fish. 4. Fish have taste buds everywhere. While humans have around 10,000 taste buds on their tongues, fish have taste buds all over their bodies, on their lips, fins, and even their skin. This means fish can taste their environment, helping them detect food or danger even before it reaches their mouths. Some species of fish, like catfish, are particularly sensitive to taste and can use their whisker-like barbels to sense food in dark or murky waters. 5. Fish can see with their ears. Fish don't rely solely on their eyes to navigate their world. Many fish species have an extraordinary ability to sense vibrations and sound waves through their inner ear. They use this sense, known as lateral line perception, to detect movement, objects, and other fish in the water around them. This system allows fish to see in a way that goes beyond the limitations of vision, which is especially important in dark or murky waters where visibility is low. 6. Some fish can change gender. Fish are one of the few animals that can change sex during their lifetime. This phenomenon is known as sequential hermaphroditism, and it occurs in several fish species, including clownfish and parrotfish. In some cases, a fish may switch from male to female, protandry, while in others, it may switch from female to male, protogeny. This ability helps maintain a balanced ratio of males to females in the population, ensuring better reproductive success. 7. Fish can sleep without closing their eyes. Unlike mammals, fish do not have eyelids, so they can't close their eyes to sleep. However, many fish species do sleep, they just do it in a different way. Fish enter a state of rest where their metabolic rates slow down, and their movement decreases, but they remain alert to their surroundings. Some fish, like parrotfish, create a bubble around themselves at night to protect themselves from predators. Sleeping fish may rest in a sheltered spot or hover in place using their swim bladders to stay afloat. 8. The longest living fish can live for over 200 years. Some fish species are incredibly long-lived, and some can live for centuries. The Greenland shark, for example, is one of the oldest living vertebrates on Earth, with individuals estimated to live up to 400 years. This slow-growing species takes decades to reach maturity, and its ability to survive in the frigid waters of the Arctic may be a contributing factor to its longevity. The fact that these ancient creatures have lived through so many changes on Earth makes them fascinating examples of resilience and adaptation. 9. Fish can have superhuman strength. Certain species of fish have surprising feats of strength that put many other animals to shame. For instance, the mantis shrimp, despite its small size, has one of the most powerful strikes in the animal kingdom. It can punch its prey with such force that it creates a shockwave, stunning or killing the target instantly. The punch is so fast it can generate heat and light, momentarily reaching temperatures similar to that of the surface of the sun. Meanwhile, the ocean sunfish can weigh over 2,000 pounds and is known for its ability to swim at impressive speeds despite its massive size. 10. Fish have unique fingerprints. Just like humans, some fish have unique markings or features that make them easily identifiable. For example, barramundi fish have individual spots and stripes that form unique patterns across their scales. This is sometimes referred to as their fingerprint. Scientists can use these markings to track individual fish populations, study migration patterns, and monitor the health of ecosystems. Each fish's markings are as distinctive as a human fingerprint. 11. Fish have complex relationships with their ecosystem. Fish play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Some fish species are herbivores, grazing on algae and plants, while others are predators that help control populations of smaller creatures. Fish also serve as prey for a wide variety of animals, including birds, marine mammals, and other fish. This complex web of interactions between different species ensures the health of aquatic ecosystems. In some cases, fish even work together in mutually beneficial relationships. For example, cleaner fish like cleaner wrasse clean larger fish by eating parasites off their skin and gills in exchange for food. 12. The deep sea is full of fish with incredible adaptations. The deep sea is one of the most extreme environments on Earth, with pitch-black darkness, freezing temperatures, and immense pressure. Yet, fish have adapted to survive in these harsh conditions. Anglerfish, for example, use bioluminescent lures to attract prey in the depths of the ocean. Giant squid, another deep-sea resident, can grow to over 40 feet long, and some species of fish have evolved transparent bodies to avoid predators. These adaptations are essential for survival in one of the least explored and most mysterious ecosystems on the planet. Conclusion. Fish are truly remarkable creatures, and the more we learn about them, the more awe-inspiring they become. From their ancient origins and incredible physical abilities to their complex behaviors and roles in the ecosystem, fish continue to fascinate scientists and nature lovers alike. Whether in the depths of the ocean or in a backyard aquarium, fish remind us of the wonders of the natural world and how much there is still to discover. So, the next time you see a fish, remember that beneath its scales lies a world of incredible facts and hidden mysteries waiting to be explored. Conclusion. Fish are true marvels of nature, and their world is incredibly diverse and complex. They have existed for over 500 million years and continue to amaze us with their unique adaptations, behaviors, and capabilities. From their ability to change sex to incredible physical feats like the powerful strike of the mantis shrimp or certain fish species talking to one another, the underwater world of fish is full of astonishing facts that make us look at these aquatic creatures in a whole new light. What is even more fascinating is how fish have adapted to the conditions of their environments, whether it's transitioning between freshwater and saltwater, surviving in the extreme depths of the ocean, or their extraordinary ability to see and sense their surroundings using specialized organs. Their remarkable communication mechanisms, like the grunts of a toadfish or the body language of a cleaner fish, further highlight how complex and sophisticated these animals really are. As we continue to explore and uncover the mysteries of the ocean, we are constantly reminded of the vast and intricate role that fish play in the balance of marine ecosystems. They are not just essential components of the food chain, but they also hold key insights into the health of our oceans. The more we learn about fish, the more we realize how much there still is to discover in the underwater world. So, the next time you encounter a fish, remember, beneath its scales lies a world full of wonders waiting to be explored.